Welcome back to ClearSpot. Your O&M contract says faults are resolved within 48 hours. Your data says something different. The question is, do you actually know the difference? That gap is where accountability gets lost. Tracking contractor response and resolution times manually requires pulling ticket timestamps, matching them to dispatch logs, and building a report every week for every contractor, across every site. Nobody has time for that. So SLA enforcement becomes a quarterly conversation instead of a real-time management tool. By the time the numbers are reviewed, the pattern is already old, and the contractor relationship has already drifted into guesswork. That's where ClearSpot agents change the workflow. They timestamp every event automatically. Fault detection, ticket creation, first field action, and verified resolution. They compare those timestamps against your contractual SLA windows and generate a weekly performance view per contractor. No manual log pulling, just a clean accountability record that exists whether anyone looks at it or not. The result is simple. Performance becomes visible, repeatable, and comparable. When people know performance is being measured consistently, behavior changes. A contractor who sees response time slipping can't hide behind a vague explanation. A contractor who performs well can prove it. And your internal team has a shared source of truth instead of a collection of stories. That matters because the goal is not just to record SLA misses. The goal is to manage them before they become routine. When you walk into a contract renewal with 12 months of agent-tracked response time data, the conversation changes. You're presenting measured performance, not memory. That data is leverage. For better terms, penalty enforcement or switching vendors with full documentation. Instead of saying, "We think response times have been slipping," you can say, "Here is the pattern, here is the evidence, and here is the impact." That is a very different conversation. Manual SLA review fails because it doesn't scale across many sites and many contractors. Each site has its own ticket history. Each contractor has its own pattern. Each week creates another layer of records that somebody has to pull together. When that process is manual, it becomes too easy to delay, soften, or skip. And once that happens, the SLA stops being a control mechanism and becomes a document sitting in a folder. Here's how the workflow works in plain language. First, ClearSpot detects the fault event or ingests the ticket. Second, it timestamps the key milestones: detection, ticket creation, field action, and verified closure. Third, it compares those milestones against the contractual SLA windows. Fourth, it rolls everything into a weekly performance view by contractor, so you can see who is meeting the agreement and who isn't. The data is already there. The system simply organizes it into accountability. This isn't only about third-party contractors. It matters for internal teams, too. If your own crews are resolving issues late, you need the same clarity. If one site consistently takes longer than another, you need to know why. If response times are improving, you need proof of it. The benefit is that everyone operates from the same measured timeline instead of subjective recollection. Better accountability prevents a lot of quiet damage. It prevents repeated late responses from being normalized. It prevents contractors from getting credit for work that was delayed. It prevents renewal conversations from being based on vague impressions. And it prevents the organization from discovering too late that service quality has been drifting for months. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.